saw this PDF at instalhost.com, the company we are going to host our website from. So the company name is instalhost.com, and I'm going to read this PDF for you to understand what it means to get a domain, what type of domain that we have. Before we proceed, we have alright, I'm coming. They said, what is a domain name? A domain name is a web address people type to visit your website. For example, google.com, instalhost.com, or your business.net. It's like your online address, easy to remember and link to your website hosting server. Alright, part of a domain name. For example, www.instalhost.com. Alright, let me explain this part further for you. We have types of domain, and the www we've been seeing is called subdomain, and the install host that is showing right here is the name of your website. And we call something in web designing domain extension. When you say domain extension, it's just the name that's after your website's name. So that name, like .com, .org, .net, .ga, .uk, .us, is an extension. We call it domain extension. And .com is the most popular and well-known domain extension. So, sorry. The common extension we have right now, we have .com. That's for business. As I said, it was the most popular. It is the most popular. And we have .net for networks and tech sites. If you're into tech or you're into network, if you want to create website, you have to use .net. And we have .org for organizations, and we have .gh. That's that one. That one you can use it for only your country. Yeah, for country specific websites. Alright, .uk for UK, for US, that for .us. So how to buy your domain name? There are, I think, how many steps do we have to buy? That's 5 steps before you can buy your domain name, and they are very simple to get. The first step is to choose your domain registrar. So a domain registrar is a company that sells domain names. Popular ones are instalhost, that I said. We have Namecheap, NameHero, GoDaddy, Makigo Host. We have a lot of domain registrar, but the one I would advise you to use is instalhost.com, because that's what I've been using. And the second step is you need to search for a domain name. Go to your domain registrar. You need to go to your domain registrar and type the website you want, the name of the website you're creating. Type the name, for instance, instalhost.com in the search box. You come in. The site will show if it's available or already taken. Some of them need to be available, other ones will say unavailable, some will say available or already taken. Step 3, you need to select and add to cart. Okay, so the point on that step 3 is choose your preferred extension. The extension, I've already told you that the extension, domain extension, is what comes after your business name. .com, .net, and .org, etc. And after that, then you add it to cart. Step 4, create an account and check out. Sign up on the registrar site. Add your payment method or credit card, PayPal, anything, mobile money, etc. The last one is domain usually costs from $10 to $20. I mean $10 to $20 per year. Some registrar is more than that. Alright. So step 5, this is to verify and manage your domain name. After purchase your domain name, you need to verify your email address. Log into your registrar account anytime to manage or renew your domain. That's it. And they have a bonus tip right under this. They said if you already have web hosting like on cPanel, when you are designing your website, I will show you how you can use your cPanel. You can use your cPanel to design your website. You can connect your domain name by updating the name servers. Your hosting provider will give them to you. Yeah, we call something name servers. I'll show you what it means by name server or how to get your name server. Okay, that's it. So right now, whatever we've discussed right now, I'll put it in the diagram form so that you see what I'm talking about. All right, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's forget about the diagram. Let's go straight to what we are here to do. So let me take you to the install host we are talking about right now. All right, this install host platform